Welcome to today's lesson. We are going to look at divide common fractions. Let's look at example number 1. 4 divided by 4 over 5. If we see a number like this, for example, this 4, you must know that below it, or if I put division line here, below there will be 1. Because if I say 4 divided by 1, I'll still get 4. You can see that I've done it here. I've just put a division line and a 1, which is the same as what I'm given here. So this will make it easier for me to continue with my calculations here. And as you can see at this stage, the only thing that can be done is to change the sign or the division sign to multiplication sign. And then when we change the division sign to multiplication sign, the fraction on the right is affected. The denominator becomes numerator, or numerator becomes denominator. It means that they exchange position. Here you can see that is 4 over 5, but after I've changed the division sign to multiplication sign, now I have 5 over 4. Now I am in a position to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 4 times 5 is 20. 1 times 4 is 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. This is the final answer. Let's look at number 2. 4 over 5 divided by 2 over 3. What do? We then exchange, or we then change the sign, division sign to multiplication sign. And when this happens, the numerator and denominator will change their position. 3 will become the numerator and then 2 will become the denominator. Then 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. To simplify this further, we come and say, how many times does 10 goes into 12? It goes once and leaves 2 over 10. This can be simplified further. How many times does 2 goes into 2? It goes 1. Into 10, it goes 5. This becomes our final answer. 1 whole number, 1 over 5. Let's look at example 3. As you can see, this one is different from 1 and 2. How do we move to the next step when we have a situation like this? This is what you must do. You come and do the following. 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3, it gives us 9. 9 plus 2, it will give us 11. It will be 11 over 3. You come and do the same on this other part here. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14 over 3. That's how we move from this part to the next step. At this stage, the only thing that we're supposed to do is to change the division sign into multiplication sign. And we know that when this happens, the numerator and the denominator will change the position. 3 will become the numerator and then 14 will become the denominator, like what I've put here. Now, we can multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 11 times 3 is 33. 3 times 14 is 42. And then we'll look for the highest common factor. In this case, the highest common factor is 3. How many times does 3 goes into 33? 11 times. Into 42? 14 times. This is our final answer.